to the channel. I am Lindy, aka Paleobarbie. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a little short meal prep video. I made a few things this week I wanted to share with you. If it will help you on your journey, I am here to help. Anyway, it helps me to meal prep every now and then, just because it makes things easy for me to pull out and heat up and all those things. I work part-time at home, part-time at my church, so I sometimes have to bring things, so that makes it easier. But also just being at home, it helps too, because I can just pull that out and heat it up. I don't really have to think about it as much or defrost something to make something. But yeah, we're gonna go meal prep a few things. And also my grandkids wanted to taste test the new Coke Zero orange cream, so I added that in here too. So let's get started. All right, I'm making some really large egg muffin cups, or whatever you want to call them. Each one of these has a Canadian bacon slice, 2 eggs, and some white cheddar with seasoning. I'm also going to add cottage cheese to all of these, a little bit, like a tablespoon, to make it creamier. This one does not have the Canadian bacon, so I've got 2 eggs, the cheese, and some bacon pieces. I'm going to mix all these up, add the cottage cheese in, and then stick them in the oven at 350 until they are nice and done. All right, these are mixed. I'm going to add a little bit more of this cheese on top to give it just some, make it be more golden brown and be yummy. So I'm going to do that and then stick them in the oven. I'll let you know how long it takes them to cook. All right, these are done. They took about 30 minutes in my oven at 350. All right, another thing I'm prepping are carnivore chicken nuggets. I am making the 2 Crazy Ketos recipe. I'm making part of them in the air fryer, and the other I'm going to make in the oven with the rest of this, just because I want to have some to eat today, and I wanted these to get done faster. So I'll put the recipe in the link in the description down below. Or in the comments, whichever I remember to do. So check both places. But anyway, I'm going to get these in, and then we'll put some more on here and get those in the oven. They're pretty easy to make and pretty tasty. All right, the last batch is ready to go in the oven when the oven is ready. The oven is 425, the air fryer is 400, and you flip them about halfway through, or after about 8 minutes, and then you cook them for another 5 minutes or so in the air fryer. This one's a little bit longer, but the recipe talks about how to do it for both. All right, here's the ones, excuse me, from the oven. Mine are not as brown as they usually are, because I didn't have quite enough pork panko that I usually use, because I did like a 3-pound batch instead of a 1-pound batch. But regardless, they're still delicious. So they may be crispier if you do them. Plus, I'm going to be reheating them during the week in the air fryer, so that will crisp them up some more. Oh my gosh, words are hard today. Anyway, I'm going to go eat. All right, the air fryer ones are done. I've got some on a plate. I've made a spicy dipping sauce. If you're strict carnivore, you can skip this. This is the Chosen Foods mayo mixed with some chili garlic sauce, zero carb. But if you are doing super strict carnivore, then skip that and just eat these. It's delicious. All right, I am prepping some carnivore bread. I've got cottage cheese in here, eggs, and some butter. I'm about to add some pork panko. I used Courtney Luna's recipe. I got it from her TikTok. I think it's also in her cookbook too, so if you have her cookbook, it's probably in there. But it's 12 eggs, 1.5 cups of cottage cheese, and 1/2 cup of melted butter, and then I think it's 2 cups of pork panko, or 1.5 cups. But it's on her TikTok and also in her cookbook. So this is what I'm making. I'm gonna blend it up, cook it for an hour at 375. All right, I got everything blended up, sticking it in my bread loaf. I've put parchment paper in here, and I sprayed the bottom so that the parchment paper will stick better. And then I'm gonna put it in an oven for 375 for 60 minutes, so an hour. All right, so this is done. I'm gonna let it cool before I cut it up. But it smells delicious as usual. The kids are going to do a taste test for the 0 sugar Coke, the orange cream flavor. So if you haven't tried this, they're going to give you their honest opinion. I don't drink them, so I'm going to let them tell you. All right, Liam, take a taste.
First. And the flavor is orange cream.
Yeah.
That's yummy.
Yummy? What's it taste like? Does it taste like orange cream, or does it taste like Coke? Or a little bit of both?
A little bit of both.
Okay, let's see what your sister says.
It tastes like Coke, but you can taste the orange.
Is it like strong or just a slight orange cream?
Just a slight orange cream.
Cool. So thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up or thumbs down, Liam?
But
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.